Hi everyone, and welcome to the Developing Preventative Practice module, which you'll know is a core module in the MSc Oral Health Science programme. My name's Lizzie Hall and I'm your module leader. You'll see some more information about me in the contacts area on Brightspace, so I won't talk about myself just now. As healthcare professionals, you're already going to be very familiar with the practice of prevention on a one-to-one basis with your patients. And you might also have some experience working in a community-based preventative programme. This module has been designed to help develop your preventative practice by expanding your understanding of health promotion at a population level. So we're going to explore the theory of health psychology in relation to health improvement. Behavioural change and the research underpinning its theoretical development will also form a key component of this. And we'll get you to investigate the evidence base available to support the application of theory into preventative practice. As the module develops, we're going to discuss both historical and current oral health improvement strategies. So we'll be thinking about large-scale studies such as Caring for Smiles and Child Smile. And that's really going to help you generate understanding of how and why these programmes came about. Finally, we'll look at the process of evaluating the impact that these and other similar interventions have had on our populations. So we're going to place a really strong emphasis on critical analysis of the research surrounding behavioural change, health promotion, and the links between the two. And this is going to include a really extensive review of the available literature in order to justify the decisions made by the individuals and organisations that are aiming to improve the oral health of our population. Epidemiological research is going to be quite a key component to that as well, because that's what we use to evaluate success and failures of public health interventions. What we're hoping is that through reflective practice, this module is going to allow you to enhance your career by linking the knowledge acquired to what you're doing in your general practice. And we'd really like you to explore the sort of non-traditional roles of the hygienist and the therapist, such as working in a public health setting. We hope that developing your understanding of the topics in this module is going to help you feel empowered to really expand your career into areas that you might not have considered previously. If you haven't already done so, please make sure you have a look at the information in the module information area. That's going to explain the structure and the content of the module. I would also recommend you have a look at the assessment area. Obviously, you're a few weeks off having to do assessments yet, but it's good to have an idea how you're going to be assessed as the module goes on. And the assessments area is also where you will submit your assignments. If you have any questions, whether it be about content or structure at any point, please feel free to email me. There's also a discussion board area that we're going to use quite a lot throughout the module. I really would encourage you to ask your questions there if you can, if you think it's appropriate, because if you've got a question, the likelihood that somebody else is thinking the same thing. So if you can ask it in a public setting, then it means that the answer is there for everybody to see. We often spend quite a lot of time emailing the same responses to different students. So if we can keep that in a public area, then that would be great. So I hope you enjoy the module, and I hope you get out of it what we have designed it to be, and possibly even more.